Minaj Run Gang? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you don't know who I am Minaj Run Belize, and I post videos every Sunday at 6. So if you guys want to be a part of the Minaj Run Gang, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Follow me on all my social media platforms. My name is Minaj Run Belize on all my social media except Snapchat. It's just Minaj Run, all lowercase letters. Okay guys, so today's gonna be a different video. In all my videos, I say my videos are gonna be different because they are somewhat different every single time. So today I'm gonna show you guys my updated foundation routine, how I do my makeup now compared to back then. The different little techniques I do to get my foundation looking flawless, okay? So enough talking guys, let's get into this video and no more talking. So one tip that I love to do is I buy I buy this, the chest rub, and it says up here soft skin. So I use this all over my entire face, especially when I just do my eyebrows. I use this, as you guys can see, I use it religiously. This leaves your skin so smooth and soft, and what we want to do is we want to have a nice clean canvas for when we're gonna apply foundation. And your face always, if you want the best makeup look, your face has to be very clean and soft and moisturized and all that good stuff. So as you guys can see, I'm up very up close and personal. As you guys can see, my skin is looking quite shiny. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this on for about 15 minutes. And I'm gonna go wash it off, and I'm gonna show you guys another little trick. Okay guys, so I'm very up close and personal. So I already started to apply some of the thing that I use. So before I start, I want to let you guys know, when you wet your face and you wipe off the vapor rub, the Vaseline, I mean the Vicks, not the Vaseline, the Vicks, it's gonna leave your face with a nice cooling feeling. And then I'm gonna go in with this sweet soap. This is, I don't remember the name of it, but if you guys could look at it, it has like blue little dots on it. I don't remember the name, but what I do is I take it and I place it in my hand. I just rub it all over my face. And what this does is it helps to clean out my pores. So this is a little trick, and it leaves your skin so smooth. With this one, you have to be careful not to get it in your eyes because you're gonna cry. Just put it all over your face. You could take this one and bring it all. I always take this and I bring it all the way down to my neck because I have discoloration, hyperpigmentation on my neck. If you didn't notice, yeah, been bullied about it all my life. So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna let this sit on your face till your face gets completely dry, and then you go wash it off. By the time I wash it off, my beard is gonna be shaved off, and we're gonna start the foundation. As you guys can see, my eyebrows are done. If you guys want a video on how I do my eyebrows, just click up here. A little banner is gonna pop up. Click on that banner, and it's gonna take you to the video where I show you guys how I get my eyebrows and how I shape them. So today we're gonna be doing foundation review and update how I do my foundation. So I'm using today the LA Colors Truly Matte long wearing high pigment foundation. Okay, so as you guys can see, this foundation is so beautiful, and I love it because the texture, it's a little bit thick, and it covers my hyperpigmentation. My hyperpigmentation is basically dark areas around my face. Get you guys a little closer and show you guys what I mean. So look at that. It literally covered my dark circles. And as you guys could see, it's very pigmented. Like, she didn't came to play, she came to deliver on that full coverage. So now I'm gonna blend it out so you guys can see. This is just one layer. with the brush. I love using the brush to blend out the foundation because to me it gives that more air finish, airbrush look, and it looks much more like skin. As you can see while I'm blending it out, it looks quite like skin. It doesn't look like foundation. Compared to this side, this foundation is bomb.com. So I'm gonna finish my face, and I'm gonna finish putting foundation on my face, and then I'm gonna be right back just to see how this foundation sits with. Ooh, it doesn't splotch on the skin, it doesn't divide, it just blends like if it's actually your skin. Are you guys seeing that? It's not splotching, it's looking really nice. I like it. And then let's do the nose. Ooh, I like that. I really like that. Okay guys, as you guys could see up close and personal, I'm baking, and I don't usually bake long because I don't like it. So I'm gonna bake for about 5 minutes just to see how it sits on the foundation. And already I like it. I like the finish. It's sitting on the foundation quite nice. It doesn't look splotchy. It looks very nice, and I used I cut the contour with the powder. So yeah, let me show. I usually bring that powder down. So we're not gonna leave it on too long, so I'm gonna get a brush and I'm gonna wipe it right off. Okay, so now I'm gonna go do my eyes off camera, and I'm gonna be right back. So hey guys, this is the finished look. As you guys could see, I did a little something because by the time you see this video, it's gonna be February and we're about to start to celebrate Valentine's. Even though I'm single as fuck, I want to celebrate love and joy and just being all positive. So I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful pink look that I did. As you guys can see, the foundation is so beautiful. It's so amazing. I literally have on my makeup for about 5 to about 6 hours. I've been filming TikTok, and as you guys could see, it looks really good. Like, you could see that I have a lot of wrinkles under my eyes, but foundation does not hide all of that. Foundation just smoothens the skin and it gives it a little filter effect. And as you can see, I look quite filtered. Like, I look like a bad little bitch. So if you guys want to go out and get this foundation, you guys could go get the foundation at Toto's. They're located in Belize City. It's only $16, guys. Go spend your hard-earned money on it. It's worth every penny. It's long wearing. It's hyper. It's amazing. It's full coverage, as you guys could see. Like, I have a little mole here, and you're not even seeing the mole. I'm glazed for the gods. So yeah, the foundation is this one, guys. It's worth every dollar. It's really amazing. The name of the foundation is the LA Colors Truly Matte Foundation. This is what it looks like. It makes my skin look so beautiful. It matches my undertone amazingly. It matches my skin, and that's on period. So I just want to say a huge thank you to everybody that watched this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys want to see a makeup tutorial on this pink look that I did today for Valentine's, if you guys want to see a tutorial on how I get this Very easy, very subtle Valentine's look. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you want to see that video. Leave me a comment and let me know what part of Belize or in the world are you watching this video from. And happy Valentine's to everyone. I know it's not Valentine's yet, but happy Valentine's, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So yeah, guys, go out, get this foundation, enjoy the rest of your day. And I just want to say a huge thank you for all my subscribers, everybody that's watching this video. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, follow me on all my social media platforms. The links to my social media are all at the bottom, or just follow me here at Menagerie in Belize. Just search that up on any of your social media and you're gonna find me. So yeah, guys, I'm about to go film. So yeah, guys, I'm about to go film some TikToks with this beautiful makeup look that I did, because this is not gonna go to waste. I'm feeling the pink vibes, and you know pink is my favorite color. So enough said. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I hope you guys love the little tips and tricks that I taught you guys. Go out and get your foundation. It's only $16 total in Belize City. And yeah, thank you so much, my little runners. If you guys want to see more videos like this on a budget, just let me know and I'll be doing them. I love you, my little runners. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. See you in the next one.